You are welcome to Graphic Designer Architect. My name is Isaac Boahine, popularly known as Jesus Ba. I am here to teach you the basic features of the Pixellab. That is what the app we'll be using for our designs. So you can see the app here. Okay, it's called what? Pixellab. So if you don't have it on your phone, you just go to a Google Play Store and install it on your phone. That's what you'll be using for your design. So when you click on it, this is what you see. Okay, this is called text. Okay, so I can delete this from there. You can see delete button here. You can or click on it and delete it from there. Okay, and this is called background. Okay, and we have many backgrounds here. These are what they already made backgrounds of what the Pixellab. So when I click here, you can see a background. When I click here, you can see. Okay, so any of them, any of the background you want to use, okay, you can click on it and it will appear there for you. So I will advise you to use a plain background like this when you are starting your project. Okay, so as you can see my project here. Okay, here my project. Okay, my projects are your saved works. Okay, the work you've done and will save them. Maybe you've done something for a client and the client is not okay. When you save your work into your project, okay, you can come back and will do the changes you want. Okay, when I click on my project, you can see the works I've done. Okay, and I've saved. Okay, so these are what my saved work. I can do any changes I want to do. So maybe I want to do changes on this, so I click on it. You see it appear here. I can do change. I see this Ayuko is moving, so I can do changes here. Anything on it you can do change. Okay, I will see they are moving, so you can do change. So that's what the how important the what my project is. So you have to it's necessary to save your work so that you can do future changes. Okay, so let me play from there so that we continue. So let me put in my plain background. Okay, so now from there we come to this feature. That's what the design you see here. Okay, so when I click on it, you see the test area. This is called test. Okay, so the test, as you know, anything you want to test, okay, on your any test you want on your project, okay, your banner, anything you are designing, you just click on it. Okay, then you delete this from there, then you type sorry, you click on the test, then you click on the edit button here. Okay, you are editing, so you just clear it from there, then you start typing what you want to type there. Okay, so let's type graphic designer architect. Okay, so it comes into what your page. Okay, then you do the necessary editing you want to do here. Okay, so let me delete from that so I will continue. Okay, so this you can see codes also here. Okay, so these codes are the already codes the Pixellab app has done. Okay, so any codes you want to bring into your work, you can click on it. Okay, but you can also create your own code. But if you want the ones here, you can. We have many codes. Okay, and they are all meaningful. Okay, so any code you want here. Okay, let's take this code. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into visible. So maybe I want to use this code. I just click on it and appear on your project. Then you start your editing. Okay, so let me delete it from there. I hope you are learning something. We are moving step by step. So follow me as I move. Okay, so from there we are done with this side. We come to this rounded feature. Okay, so you can see 6 features here. Okay, so you can see what sticker. So sticker, when you want to use sticker that will match your design, you can use them here. Okay, and you can extend it how you want it to be. Any sticker you want to use. Okay, this sticker is what white, that's why you cannot see. Okay, so any sticker you want to use, yeah, here you can what use them. It's called emojis. Okay, so if you want to use any of the emojis here to what you can use them. So that's how it works. Okay, when it comes to import, import simply means bringing a picture into what your design. So when I click on import, it takes me towards my pictures. Okay, so you can see your pictures here. So you can also click here and you can get many pictures in your gallery. Okay, so when I click on this, okay, this was my picture. Okay, I just click on the correct button here and it brings this one into what my work. Okay, that's called the import. Okay, so let me delete it from there. As you can see, you can do any editing you want to do here. So let me delete it and so that you continue. Okay, so we come to a draw. You can see draw here. Okay, so when you click on this draw, you can draw anything you want to draw, and this is useful when you are doing your certificate and you want to put your signature on it. Okay, so you see this is black. When I want to use green, I just click on the green and green will appear. I click on this. Any color you click, okay, you see it will appear. So yes, you can what change what the size. Okay, if you want it to be what big, you can what make it big. If you want it to become very thin, you can make it thin. Okay, so this is very good for your signature. So if you want to use a signature on your certificate you are designing, you can make it thin so that you can what make a signature out of what it. Okay, so that's what the work of what this. Okay, we have fill inside. Okay, if you want to clean what you've done, you are not okay. Want to clean, you cannot click on the eraser, then you open it large so that you can clean what is there. Okay, very nicely. Okay, so I can come back to. Okay, so see it's very big, so I can what lighten it. Okay, to become what small. Anyhow I want it to be, just use this one button. Okay, so when you come here, let's see this. This is what the smoothness. Okay, how you want it to what become smooth. You can use all this. And this was fill inside. The fill inside when you click on it. Okay, when I draw this, you see the inside filled automatically. Okay, and I do this, the inside fills, and that's what the fill inside. And we have what dash line here. Okay, so that one when you draw, you can see what your dash it. Okay, very nicely. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, and this one an effect. Okay, so you can see how it also what works. Okay, so that's all about the draw. Okay, so let's come to shapes. So you can see shapes here. Any shapes, any shape you want to use in your design. Okay, you can see this box here, this box area here. You can click on it and you see any shape you want to bring into your design. Okay, so maybe you want to bring this shape, just click on it. Okay, then you see that you can't see the shape here because the background is what white, so you can come down here and choose a color so that you can see the shape. So any color you click on it, it will appear on it. Okay, so maybe you don't want the colors, you want ingredients, you can click on the ingredients and you get what ingredients colors. Okay, these are called what ingredient colors. And with the ingredient colors, when you want to mix them, you want to do different things, you can what click here. Okay, the plus sign. Okay, so how you want your color to appear on your shape. Okay, you just do it here. Okay, you see however you want it to appear, you can get it here. Okay, you want to appear like this, you just click on okay. You see it here. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, Okay, so let's move on to other things. So I can cancel my when I'm okay with what I've done. I just click on this correct button here. Okay, I can also delete. So let me delete so that we continue. Okay, so this is by set. Okay, this is by set. Okay, any you can also use them for a wonderful watch designs. Okay, so maybe I want to do this shape. Okay, a shape like this. Okay, then I click on okay. Okay, and I get the shape. I will see the shape I've gotten. Okay, so that's what the work. So now I delete from them. That's the work or whatever I said. Okay, any shape you want to do, you just use what the bar to do your shape. Okay, and these are also what useful in what your design. Okay, some some of the design when you are using, you have to use what some shapes that will make what very beautiful for you. Okay, so when I click here, okay, see the shape here. Okay, so with this one I can also extend what my shape into a different. Okay, so maybe I want to make what a shape like this. Okay, I leave it and I come and continue again here. Okay, I leave it and I come and continue again here. So maybe I want a shape like this. Okay, I will see. When I click on it, I've gotten this shape. Okay, so that's how it also works. Let me delete so that we continue from here. Okay, so the last one I'll be talking about so that we end. Okay, so these are forward shape arrows. Okay, so these arrows when we are doing posters, we want to show an arrow to where your location. You can use these arrows. Okay, you have different ones here. The one you want to use, you just click on it. Okay, and you are ready to go. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, as you see. So you want to enlarge the map. This what how enlarge the map. You want to enlarge the tail. Okay, so however you want it to be. Okay, they are all here as you see. So you can also change the color. Okay, any color you want that arrow to be, you can what change it here. You have many things here, things you can do with the shapes. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, different things what you can do as you can see here.